Good morning, dear children. Now today we start here. Now the remaining questions are question number 4 and question number 5. Now here, dear children, the last video I told you question number 1, 2, 3, and here question number 1, 2, 3. I told you obtuse angle, right angle, acute angle, straight angle, and scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, and equilateral triangle. Once again, I repeat you. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal, and isosceles triangle only two sides are equal, and scalene triangle all sides are unequal. Okay, these are types of angle: scalene, isosceles, and equilateral. Here the question number 4 is. Here the question number 4 is classify the triangle whose angle have measure as under as acute, obtuse, or right. So dear children, this is the question number 4. Here the measure of these angles are 58 degree, 83 degree, and 39 degree. So dear children, suppose the measure of these angles. So this is suppose this is a triangle. Now this is a 83 degree. Sorry. This is 83 degree. This is 39 degree. Suppose, and this is 58 degree angle. So which type of angle? So look at here. All these, the measure of all these angles are less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree means less than 90 degree. That's when this is a acute angle. This is a acute angle. If more than 90 degree, then obtuse angle. And if only 90 degree, so this is a right angle triangle. Now look at here. First angle is 65 degree, second is 95 degree, and third is 20 degree. So look at here, this angle is greater and this angle is more than 90 degree. Means this is a obtuse angle. So this is obtuse triangle. Okay. So we write the answer obtuse triangle. Which type of triangle? Obtuse angle. Why? Because here this one angle is more than 90 degree. Now third is 30, 60, and 90 degree. So this is a right triangle, right angle triangle. We write the right angle triangle. Now look at here. Fourth is 109 degree, 40 degree, and 31 degree angle. So look at here. These angles, two angles are acute angle, but one angle is more than 90 degree. Means this is a obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. So we write here obtuse angle triangle. This type. Obtuse angle triangle. Okay. So इसका यह. So same this is right angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, and acute angle triangle. Now the question number 5. Question number 5. Study the figure given on the right hand side and answer the following questions. So dear children, this is figure. This is a diagram of this question number 5. And here the some questions are given here. First question, question A, B, C, D, E, F. So these are answers of these questions. Now the question is, name the equilateral triangle. Look at this figure, and here we write here the name of equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle means all sides are, when all sides are equal, then that is a equilateral triangle. Now can you tell me which angle is equilateral triangle? So look at here. AB is 4 centimeter and AC is also 4 centimeter, and CB is a 1 1 1 1 is 1 2 3 4 centimeters. So a triangle ABC is a equilateral triangle. Why? Because this side and this side is equal. So we write here a triangle ABC. Okay, now only one equilateral triangle. Now the second question is, name the isosceles triangles. Isosceles triangle, the two sides are equal. How many sides? Two sides are equal. So look at here, dear children. A, this angle, this and this line. This and this is equal 3 centimeter. Now look at here. ADE. AD is 4, but AE and BE is also 3 centimeter. 1 2 3 centimeter. So this angle and this angle is also equilateral triangle. Okay. Now ADC. AD is 3 centimeter. DC is also 3 centimeter. 1 2 3 centimeter, and this one is 4 centimeter. Means these two sides are, this side and this side, AD and DC is equal. So that's why this is a equilateral isosceles triangle. Okay. Now next is yes. Okay. One angle, two angle, triangle and third triangle. Okay. Here the three isosceles triangle. Now the question number, तो अब देखिए इसके अलावा और कोई भी isosceles triangle आपको नहीं दिखेगा. Now the question number third. Name the scalene triangle. Scalene triangle means all sides are unequal. A triangle whose all sides are unequal, that means that is a scalene triangle. So look at here. Here we write here the name of this triangle. So first we write here ABD. ABD. This is a scalene triangle. Why? The length of this side is 4 centimeter, this side is 3 centimeter, and this side is only 1 centimeter. So this is a scalene triangle. Next is AEC. अब देखिए इसका अपोजिट ये हो गया. The opposite of this angle is this. So we write here AEC. Okay. इसमें हमें ढूंढना नहीं पड़ेगा. ये अपोजिट, इसका अपोजिट ये है. That means कि ये स्केलर है तो ये भी स्केलर ही होगा. Now next is ABM. So ABM. Now look at here. 4 centimeter, 2 centimeter. अब देखिए इसकी लेंथ तो इसमें बुक में भी नहीं दिया है, बट अब ये 2 है तो ये तो 4 है. ओके. सो ABM. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज AMC. AMC. फिर नेक्स्ट इज AME. AME. And last is ADM. ADM. Okay. That means this is a 1 2 3 4. These are 4 scalene triangles. Here we write 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now BMA. This is 1 and 1 is AMC. Okay. So that means here the 6 scalene triangles. Now the next is name the acute triangle. Acute triangle is with less than 90 degree. Angle is less than 90 degrees. So look at here. This angle ABC, this angle, and this angle is acute angle. So we write here ABC. Yes, this is ABC. Now ABE. ABE. This angle, and this angle is also acute angle. कोई भी एंगल एक्यूट एंगल से ग्रेटर नहीं होना चाहिए, तो वो फिर ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल हो जाएगा, राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल हो जाएगा. सारे एंगल एक्यूट होने चाहिए. देखिए A भी है, B and E. Now next is ADE. Now A, this angle is also acute angle and this angle is also, and this is also acute angle. Now next is ADC. ADC. Sorry, ADC. This angle and this angle is acute angle. Now question number E. Name the obtuse angle. There, look at here, dear children, only two obtuse angles. This angle ADB, this is 90 degree here, but this angle is here, so less more than 90 degrees. That means ADB is a obtuse angle. Now next is this one AEC. अब इसका पॉजिटिव हुआ तो AEC. This is also obtuse angle. Obtuse angle triangle. Okay, only two angles here, obtuse angle. Now question number F. Name the right triangle. Okay, very simple. ये देखिए ये राइट एंगल. अब इसको हम कई टाइप से काउंट कर सकते हैं. आप इसको काउंट करेंगे, इसको AMD, then AME, फिर लिखेंगे AMD, AMC. Okay, four right angles. AMD, AME, ये हो गए, फिर AMB, AMC. This is the four right angles. Okay, so we write here AMB, AMC, AMD and AME. Okay, dear children. So exercise 11D is completed. Now the next exercise I will tell you in the next video. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.